Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Kamlapati Tripathi. He was born on 3rd of September 1905. He obtained D.Lit from Kashi Vidyapith in Varanasi. He started his career as a journalist with the Hindi newspaper Aaj. He participated in various freedom struggle movements like non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from United Province on Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues in Constituent Assembly like criticizing the Constitution for being centralized overly. He also spoke on the issue that the Constitution has not taken into account India's indigenous village democracy. His important speech was regarding the nomenclature of the country. We will just see that. 18th September 1949. Quote, today, an amendment regarding the name of country is before us. I would have been glad if the drafting committee had presented this amendment in a different form. If an expression other than India, that is Bharat, had been used, I think, sir, that would have been more in accord with the prestige and the traditions of this country, and indeed that would have done great honor to this Constituent Assembly also. If the words that is were necessary, it would have been more proper to use the word Bharat, that is India, in the resolution that has been presented to us. So these were his views regarding the nomenclature of our country. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.